He who is cruel to animals becomes hard also in his dealings with men. We can judge the heart of a man by his treatment of animals. It's not enough to love animals, we must actively protect and preserve them. It's our duty and responsibility as custodians of this planet. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Until one has loved an animal, a part of one's soul remains unawakened. Animals are such agreeable friends, they ask no questions, they pass no criticisms. The love for all living creatures is the most noble attribute of humankind. The world would be a nicer place if everyone had the ability to love as unconditionally as a dog. Dogs' lives are too short. Their only fault, really. A dog is the only thing that can mend a crack in your broken heart. The average dog is a nicer person than the average person. The dog is a gentleman. I hope to go to his heaven, not man's. If I could be half the person my dog is, I'd be twice the human I am. No one appreciates the very special genius of your conversation as a dog does. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Money can buy you a fine dog, but only love can make him wag his tail. Dogs are great. Bad dogs, if you can really call them that, are perhaps the greatest of them all. Dogs do speak, but only to those who know how to listen. Dogs have a way of finding the people who need them, and filling an emptiness we didn't ever know we had. I think dogs are the most amazing creatures. They give unconditional love. For me, they are the role model for being alive. A dog desires affection more than its dinner. Well, almost.